Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you have an AMD based computer, that means you have an AMD CPU or maybe Radeon graphics, things like that. It's basically that you will have also AMD chipsets, which a series of drivers also available for them for Windows 10 and 11. But here specifically, although the drivers are compatible Windows 10 and Windows 11, there is one specific change to the new AMD chipset drivers released. The chipset, which is version 7.11.26.2142. This is the new latest drivers, and they have added support for Windows 11 25H2. So that means that if you are in 25H2 or were planning to move to 25H2, these drivers actually add support to this new version. And of course, it has some known issues and some bug fixes. So if you have an AMD based PC, these drivers are probably for you. How do you know if you have an AMD-based PC? Just right-click in the Start button and go to the Task Manager. If you see that your CPU in the Performance tab is a AMD Ryzen of any kind, then you do have a PC that's based on AMD, so the chipsets will apply to you. With Radeon graphics, of course, so all of that is updated together. It is a package of many drivers. Now, as always, one of the things that I always say is if you have absolutely no problems with your PC, there is not necessarily any reasons to install the new package now. So you can wait and see. Or if you want to be at the latest drivers, then you can download the package. So I will share the link to this page in the description below. If your PC was not getting 25H2, this might actually trigger a 25H2 appearance in the Windows updates. So just make sure that you know that. And it is available for, of course, here there's all the processors that it actually supports in Windows 10 and 11. If you're on Windows 10, like I said, it also applies. These drivers update for the latest versions. Just go down the page and click the AMD Ryzen chipset driver here for Windows 10, Windows 11, 64 bits. And it will download to your PC. It is a file that is roughly, let me just go to the downloads page and download it here. So here it goes. It's a 75 megabyte file that contains all the updates. I will actually apply it to the PC after this video, so I will be looking into that. I got two AMD machines here where this can apply. And if, like I said, if you have no problems, you don't have to install it. You never know what could happen. If you had issues or if you simply want to be up to date, then you can download and install the package on your computer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos. The link is in the description below.